You are not going to believe what I'm going to show you in this video. If you want to become a pro online coach, start an online coaching business, then you can use AI to set up your complete system in just a few hours without even writing a prompt. Yes, I'm not here to show you what prompt to write, where to insert your category, where to insert your product. No, you don't even have to write a prompt. All you need to do is answer 3 questions about yourself. Once you answer those 3 questions, AI takes over and builds your membership site, something like this. And then it will create ads for you, something like this. If you want video ads where you want the script written for you, AI will do it for you. Do you want to then send an email campaign, 6 months for your lead nurturing program? That AI will solve for you. Wait, maybe you want to write a book so that your authority becomes better? Yes, AI will help you with that as well. All your social media prompts, everything that you need to run a successful coaching business are just few clicks away, where you don't even need to write prompts. Hi, my name is Ishwar. I am building the world's simplest AI-based coaching platform. If you're interested in getting a coaching business off the ground, there is simply no easier way to do it than by using Unsolved. You don't have to just believe me. I would like you to join me in a live session where I not only demo this to you, but help you experience it yourself. If this is interesting to you, all you need to do is click on this ad, join our WhatsApp group, and when we announce our live session, drop in and experience the magic yourself.